Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the right sticky stabilizer weight for your fabric, light for knits, medium for cotton, heavy for dense materials. Lay the fabric flat and clean it. Once done, remove lint and oils because adhesion depends on surface contact. Place the stabilizer sticky side down against the wrong side of fabric and align edges. Use a small strip of low-tack painter's tape or chalk marks to hold location. This prevents shifting, so you save time and keep stitches precise. Now you secure the sandwich so the stabilizer and fabric behave together. If possible, hoop both layers or use a temporary spray adhesive for large pieces. Make sure tension is even across the surface. Match needle type and machine tension to your fabric, ballpoint for knits, sharp for woven, and choose thread weight that complements design density. Start with a short test run on a scrap sample. This verifies stitch density and prevents puckering before you commit to the final piece. Finish by removing excess stabilizer carefully. Tear it away along the grain or cut close to the stitching with small scissors so you don't snip threads. If residue remains, apply a small amount of adhesive remover or warm soapy water. Test first on a hidden area to protect fabric. Make sure to press gently with a cloth, not iron directly on sticky residue. If you see puckering, reevaluate hooping and tension, and restitch only after correcting those causes. This prevents repeat errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.